Hello guys, my name is Nadir Said and you are watching my YouTube channel Gardening Lover. Today in this video I'm gonna show you the benefits of the flower and its nature. Today my topic is about sunflower. Sunflower is a popular flower type known for their dazzling yellow blooms and with large sizes. Sunflowers are also one of the most popular flower type and having a remarkable number of benefits. Sunflowers need direct sunlight about 6 to 8 hours a day and require hot conditions to grow in a good way. Sunflowers also have a long roots that require plenty of rooms to spread out. So soil should be well dug and not too dense for growth. Avoid over-fertilization or risk your stems breaking in the fall. In addition to being great in a garden, sunflower makes great gifts and look wonderful in bouquet. The disc flowers are brown, yellow and purples, while the petal-like ray flowers are yellow. The fruit is a single seeded is a valuable from economical point of view. The leaves are used as a fodder, the flowers yield a yellow dye, and the seeds contain oil and are used for the food. The sweet yellow oil obtained the compression of the seeds is considered equal to olive oil or almond oil for the table use. Sunflower oil cake is used for the stock of a poultry feeding. The oil is also used in a soap and paints as a lubricant. The seeds may be eaten dried, roasted, or ground into nut butter are common in the birdseed mixer. So friends, I have tried to explain the benefits of the sunflower. Hope you people like my video and going to subscribe my channel for the further videos. Thank you so much for your time.